Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is S.A.W Kareem and this is the holy month of Ramadan. You know, during this holy special month of Ramadan, it may be hard to abstain from sex. You know, at times we have that urge, and it is during the day of Ramadan, and we do it. I urge all of you not to have sex during Ramadan. Abstain just at least till nightfall. You know, you can hold back your desires just till the night falls. Secondarily, even if you do have sex, either do fasting for 2 months, or give 60 people worth of charity, or free a slave, which isn't really a relevant thing nowadays. But if you can, do one of these things. You know, some people out there might be like, how can I feed 60 people? You know, I can't do 2 months of Ramadan. 1 month is hard enough. You know, some people have difficulty on this 1 month. So, if you're going to feed 60 people, be like, how can I feed 60 people? You know, there's a hadith of the story of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Once upon a time, well, that sounds like a story tale, this actually happens. So, back in the past, there's this man who comes running to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, falls onto his knees and says, Allah. So, he says, Ya Muhammad, peace be upon you. So, he says, Prophet of God, I have sinned, I have committed the sin of sex during the day of Ramadan. And the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, obviously, it's like, can you free a slave? And the man says, I'm too poor to even own a slave, let alone free one. And Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, can you fast 2 months? And the guy's like, me fast 2 months? I barely fast 1 month a year, let alone 2 additional months. So Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, can you feed 60 poor people? And the man gasps, he's like, feed 60 poor people? I barely feed myself and my family. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, summons one of his guys to come along. And the guy has a big basket of dates, which will obviously feed 60 poor people. But Muhammad, peace be upon him, gives this guy these dates. He says, feed 60 poor people. And the guy looks at him puzzled, it's like, what? Who should I feed? And Muhammad, peace be upon his smile, yeah, that big smile and that grin, and it's almost like a crescent moon. And he says, feed your family. You know, in this harsh time of Ramadan, I know for me I love this month, but it's also a harsh time. I have hard difficulty with the thirst, not the food, the thirst. And you know what? During this hard time, our body has desires. But if you do commit the sin and you're not able to feed 60 poor people, feed your family as charity. Because if you're that poor, then surely doing these things to your family is charity. And remember, this is the holy month, so I urge each and every one of you to take every advantage. Remember your Rabbul Alameen. Remember the goodness and come to goodness. And if you feel up to it, hit subscribe and give us a like in the section below. Oh, thanks for watching and have a great day.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.